Hello and welcome. Just wanted to show you guys a quick video on how to operate our awesome propane fire pit. First thing you want to do is open the compartment door here on the side. Here is where you'll see obviously the propane tank. It's very similar to your traditional gas grill setup. Next thing you want to do is remove the lid from the top. Voila. And instead of having to take this lid and put it anywhere else along the railing, house, or anywhere else that's inconvenient, there are two latches here on the inside door that you can use to store the lid. Latch them on here, it's all set, and come back in here to the assembly. Just like a gas grill, you have open and close. For purposes of turning on the propane, you will want to obviously open it, so you'll go counterclockwise and open the gas. Now that the gas is on, you'll want to come along to the lighting assembly here. This is just where the battery is stored for purposes of generating the light. It is not a button, it's just a cap, so you do not need to worry about that. Here is your traditional dial, again, just like any other barbecue or oven range for that matter. Down here is your lighting position. Up here is your high flame indicator. As you can see from the curve, it gets thicker as you go up, so that will give you an increased flame the higher you go up. So for purposes of lighting it, hold the knob down, counterclockwise again, you'll hear the gas kick on. You'll see flames up here. Give it about 10 seconds for the coil to get fully lit. And from there, you can adjust your flame. Depending on how windy it is, that's what you will want to dictate how big your flame is. It's a bit windy today, so we'll go with a slightly smaller flame to play it safe. Much more controllable. This is a very safe propane pit, but you can never be too safe. So now that the flame is going, you're all set. The gas is running. You're set here to a reasonable flame. Shut your door and enjoy. Another important piece of advice is that for the coil here where the flame is, you can keep that covered in the rocks. The only part that you want to keep exposed and not covered by rocks is the actual flame box. The grated portion here that you can see is exposed. Please keep that exposed, because if you block that and jam it up, it can lead to a fire and other challenges. So let's keep that unobstructed. So enjoy the fire, and once you are done to enjoying it, you can turn the propane pit off, and it's just like any other grill. Come back down here, just as you were going to do to light it. The first thing you want to do is turn the flame off from the knob. So bring it back to its off position. You hear a click, and then come back to your propane bottle, and naturally, instead of going open, you want to go close. So continue closing it, and this time clockwise until you can't turn anymore. And that's that. The next big piece is that depending on how long you've let the fire go, you want to make sure that the base is cool. And once it's cool, you can take the lid back out, cover it, shut your door here as well. And the last piece is putting the weather protected cover on it, which we keep over here. Once you're done and the fire pit is cool, throw that cover on it just to protect it from the sun, inclement weather, and anything else. Thank you and enjoy.